we gotta cook and do this with real food. I just don't have the food to do it, but this is a cooking show, so you gotta do what I did, but with real food, okay? Okay. So go grab this food, and then you gotta grab. So you gotta grab this. You gotta put there. And then you gotta grab cookie. I grab this. Grab this cookie. Put in there. And then you gotta grab a banana, which looks like this. Put in there. Then you gotta get. Remember, it's 2 bananas, so you gotta get broccoli. Put in there. You gotta grab in the final. You gotta grab, or not final, almost. You gotta grab onion, and then you gotta grab a carrot, and then you gotta grab more stuff. So here, another cookie, mushroom, a strawberry, 3 bananas, and broccoli again. And that's all you gotta do. And then you what is it? Oh yeah, and you gotta eat a piece of banana. Then you gotta spit it out, put it there. And then and then you gotta grab fries, put it in there, and a tiny piece of rice, put it in there. Remember, it's 1. And then you gotta cook it up. And then you break it up, and then you gotta stir it. And remember, you stir it good. Hey, if we're doing good, doing good. And yeah. And then yeah, so you gotta do that. And then even more. And then even more. And then even more. And then keep it like good. And then so be pretty good. It should be hot. It will be like this. And then like that. And then when you do it, it'll be good. And then so yeah. And just for you to know it's white, you gotta mix it up some more. And then like this. And then you could cut it if you want. Oh no. Oh, you're not supposed to put in hot stuff. It's supposed to be cold. And then yeah. But remember, you mix it up so much that it's like mushed up. And then when you cut it, you gotta cut it like a piece of pizza. And then that's how you make your fruit pizza. It's pretty good. Well, bye guys.